Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm answering the question, can you transfer money directly from Paysafe to PayPal? And the answer is, it is not possible to do that directly, but we have workaround. The reason why you can do a direct transfer is because there is no direct integration between Paysafe and PayPal, as they are two separate payment services that don't allow direct transfers between them. So the workaround is to transfer to a bank account that is linked to your Paysafe, and then once the funds are in your bank account, you can add them to PayPal. It's as simple as that. So how do you do this? 1. Verify if Paysafe allows withdrawals to your bank account. Then initiate a withdrawal from Paysafe to your linked bank account. Then log into PayPal, navigate to Add Funds section and link your bank account if it's not already linked. Then add the funds from your bank account to PayPal. It's as simple as that. So always consider that there will be transfer fees and processing time will vary depending on the platform and your bank. If you need to move funds between Paysafe and PayPal using your bank account as an intermediary, might be a viable workaround depending on Paysafe's withdrawal options. Thanks for watching.